When I first restarted this sewing channel, I had just one goal, which is to make sewing free and accessible for people that really desire to learn sewing but do not have the money to pay for the class yet. And today we hit 100 subscribers. I'm so excited, and I want to say thank you to everyone who liked, shared, commented, or even subscribed to the channel. I'm so grateful for community and I love you all. If you're new here, we've launched our beginner fashion design series. Okay, this is aimed at taking you from a total novice, that's a complete beginner, to an advanced fashion designer. Yes, so we are going to be having three parts of this series: the beginner series, the intermediate series, and the advanced series. So we've started with lesson one already. Okay, I think we're currently at lesson nine. So if you're looking for where to learn your fashion design, you can go ahead and check out our lesson one and go up from there. Okay, let's help you begin your sewing journey. Here's to the first 100. I'm so excited, and our next stop is 1,000 subscribers. So welcome to the Style with Ajay family. I love you. Bye.